What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video on the white ST. Today we're going to be adding some strut top strengthening plates from Parking Racing Developments, and to do this we will need a 73mm hole saw, because I have another set of coilovers to fit to this car in the near future hopefully, and I want to be able to adjust the camber with the coilovers in situ rather than having to drop them down. But obviously when you hole saw the strut top, you do weaken it. These plates from Parking Developments really do restore the rigidity back into the strut top and prevent obviously cracking and weakening of that strut top itself. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull the scuttle panel off, get the catch can unbolted from it. We're then going to remove the strut brace as well as the 3 nuts that hold on the shock. Drop it down, drill it with the hole saw. Obviously on the driver's side, as you know, there's the wiper motor plate, so we'll have to make that larger as well. And once we've done that, we should be all A-okay. Okay, now that's all loose. We now need to undo these 2 large nuts to separate this plate from the actual wiper motor itself. The size of the nuts are a 27mm. Okay, now that both nuts are off, we can now just remove the rubber bushes and then lift off our wiper motor plate. I'm going to try and get this a bit lower off camera, but we're now ready to obviously drill the holes larger. Which, as you can see, is quite a substantial amount. However, the shock is sitting a bit too high on this side for me to be able to get the hole saw fully in. So hopefully I'm going to try and tease it to jump out of its little spot, and with a bit of luck we should just be able to drop her straight down. If not, I might have to just drop the shock off the hub and take it out completely on the driver's side. Okay, so luckily we didn't have to drop the shock completely off. All I ended up doing was removing the drop link as I saw it was hitting on the wishbone. So now the shock has dropped to where we need it to be, so we can now drill everything within situ. Alright, so as you can see now, both struts are off like we said, which now will make room for our plates to sit on like so. But what we'll do is, before we obviously make any decisions to go ahead and weld it straight away, we're going to give it a clean obviously for one, and what we're going to do is bolt the shock back up to make sure obviously everything is in line and we haven't messed up the alignment of the shock, because that's the last thing you want to do when doing this. So I'm just going to give everything a little clean and go from there. So as you can see, we now have the area all cleaned up, ready to weld the plates on. All I'm going to do off camera is bolt the plates back onto the car to make sure that obviously when they're welded they are positioned correctly. Got the earth set up with the welder going. All I'm going to do is now disconnect the battery, get them plates bolted on. Hopefully in the next clip you will see some welding getting done on the Fiesta. Okay, so as you can see, they are now welded on. We're not going to bother doing the actual plate just because it has actually rotted out, so it's a waste of time. And as you can see, the other side is done too. So what we're going to do now is, we're on a bit of a time crunch, so we're just going to get this back together as quick as we can, and then I'll just show you the car with it all back together. Okay, so as you can see, we're now back together, and you're probably thinking, where is your strut brace gone? As per typical fashion, when you modify stuff, strut brace does not fit because there's too little threads. However, these are the AP shocks which we won't be using, and they're using standard top mounts, so the studs are a lot shorter. With the new coilovers that I've got, they come with their own top mounts obviously, and the studs are a lot bigger. So hopefully we shouldn't really run into that trouble until we fit the new ones. So, but for now, we'll leave it off and we'll just store her in a safe place. But yeah, anyways guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next one.
you.